What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is a very exciting day because it is warming up. It is very warm outside. It's like 63 already and it's not even noon yet. So for Fargo, North Dakota, that's pretty good. If you guys didn't watch my last video, I just finished the FZ07 build. So it is all completely done and it looks awesome. If you didn't see that video, go check it out. I'll put a link down in the description below. But something I actually haven't even done yet is tried to start this thing up. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna see if this thing actually runs after I put it all back together without even testing it, which probably wasn't the smartest thing to do, but here we are. That's what we're here to do today. We're gonna throw the battery in, change the oil, and get this thing running and probably take it for a little spin because it is so nice outside. Super excited to test this thing out, see how it runs, see how it looks on the move. So let's do this. I can't even tell you guys how nice it is to just be out here in my t-shirt and be plenty warm with the garage door open, the sun shining in here. Don't have that loud freaking heater going the whole time. Oh, I'm so ready for summer. Alrighty. Let's get this battery in. Okay, now the scary part. Man, this is kind of nerve-wracking after tearing this thing all the way down to the frame and then putting it all back together. And now this is gonna be the first time that I'm trying to turn it on and see if it runs, see if I did everything right. Well, let's do it. Man, I didn't think I would be this nervous to start this thing. That's a good sign. I hear the fuel pump priming. Okay. All right, here we go. Man, there's nothing as good as that feeling when you finish a big project like this and it starts right up, first start. Oh my gosh, let's go. I can't wait to ride this thing. All right, now we know that it starts and runs and everything seems to be in working order. So we're gonna change the oil quick and then probably take it out for a quick spin. Well guys, things have taken a turn for the worst. I was trying to move this coolant reservoir out of the way so I could get a better grip on the oil filter and it fell into the pan of oil. And oil went in there, plus now the hose is out, so now there's air in the system. Man, why couldn't this just be an oil, a simple freaking... Alrighty guys, so we got the oil filter situation all figured out. That whole debacle was on Saturday, it is now Monday. So we got the oil filter on, we got a fresh oil change in it, we got the coolant reservoir thing all figured out, and this thing is ready to rock, so I'm super excited to test it out. Except, well, the sun's out, but it's freezing cold again. I hate this bipolar weather in North Dakota. It's very frustrating sometimes. So the very next day that it's above 50 degrees probably, I'm going for a ride on this thing. Why? Why does this have to happen? I mean, I get this close to riding my bike. It's like a 65-degree day last weekend, Saturday, and then bam, I get hit with this. What the heck is that? So that only leaves us one option. the 400EX, which is buried in boxes. So I guess first we're gonna have to unbury the quad. Let's unbury. Alrighty then, let's see if this thing starts. Haven't tried starting it up for like months. Okay. Nothing there. Oh wait, I think my battery thing came disconnected. Yeah, okay. Oh, I heard a click. Okay, let's go. Man, I need to do a lot of work to this thing. Oh ho ho. Oh, man, I love this squad. Never lets me down. Except for when it does. Goodness. Now it's sounding a little better. She is not happy. Oh yeah, nothing like ripping some donuts in the garage. I gotta do it one more time. Okay, almost hit the dresser. Oh man, my hands are freezing, but that was a lot of fun. You guys, I need to get out and ride this thing more this summer. It's just so hard living in a city where I don't own any land to like get out and ride this thing, but it clearly needs a lot of work. I mean, just from when I was trying to get it started, there's this puddle of oil here. Rose is probably gonna come home and see all these marks, donut marks in the garage and be like, honey, what were you doing in the garage? I miss riding this quad so much, man. Anyways, maybe one day it'll warm up enough to where I can finally take my bike out on a ride after doing all that work to it. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video for today and ripping some donuts in the garage on the 400EX. That was a lot of fun. I actually kind of want to keep going. Let me know down in the comment section if you liked this video, and stay tuned for when I will be taking this thing out finally for when it gets warmer out. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you did enjoy this video. Every single one helps, and we're on our way to 1,000 subscribers. And as always, I like to know who made it to the end of the video, so let me know down in the comments if you liked the donuts in the, no, better yet, if you've ever done donuts inside of a 2-stall garage on a 4-wheeler. Let me know down in the comments so that way I know who made it to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.